Studios.
Yes, we're back now.
How late is it now?
It is exactly 6 o'clock.
Nice. Yeah, I plan to go to the Frozen show in a bit. The show from 6 o'clock was full already.
Yep.
It's quite popular, so we're gonna see if we can do something in the meanwhile and then get the next show from 7, right?
I think it's 6:45.
Ah, okay, yeah.
So yeah,
Around
we have to
7.
Keep our eyes on it because we have never seen that Frozen show actually.
Yeah, it always fills up outside with the queue, so and then
Yeah.
they don't let people in anymore.
Yeah. So maybe we're too late already, but we will see.
Yeah.
We don't want to wait for like 45 minutes over
No.
there. So in the meantime, we are walking towards Remy and gonna do that attraction. I love this section.
This section is always really classy.
Yeah.
We have those nice food booths.
Yeah, especially in comparison to the rest of the park,
Yeah.
because the Studios Park over here in Paris has always been a little bit of a lackluster.
Yeah, this is a
But
great
then if you're
addition.
here, it's like you're in Paris. It's so nice and so cute.
Yeah, I think it's on par with the Marvel. Has that 360 degrees theming too.
Yes, it looks like the normal wait is 25 minutes now, but the single
Single
rider
rider
wait
is
is only
5.
5. So let's
Yes.
go for the single.
Let's go.
That was cute, as always.
Yeah, and a straight walk on. Again.
Yes, again. Yeah, I didn't even have to start the timer.
No. Single rider all the way for Remy. For the first time, we're inside of the queue.
Yeah, we actually got in.
It was 6:15 when we walked in,
Yeah.
and it starts in
Half an
half an hour.
I think most of the time, like an hour before the show, it's already full.
Yeah.
But this is the last showing of today, so I think that's what saved us.
Yeah, exactly. So if you want to see this, just be on time because it's very popular.
Yeah. So I'm very curious.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
First
I
time.
don't really know what to expect.
No,
So
you will see. Take you along.
let's see.
People smell better than reindeers. Sven, don't you think I'm right? That's once again true for all except you. You got me. Let's call it a night.
She's here, Dear people of Arendelle, welcome. Je suis tellement heureuse que vous soyez venus jusqu'à la montagne du Nord. Quel plaisir de te voir. It's so good to see you.
Now that's what you call an entrance.
Pour moi le prix de la liberté.
That was very cute.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, great experience.
Yeah, it was more than I expected.
Yeah.
And the actors and the singers were really good.
Yeah, but good with the English and the French.
Yeah, it was a nice mix.
Yeah, and you can actually follow the story, so that's important. And it was live singing too. It was really good.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah.
I really liked it. It's a really small room though, so everybody's really cramped up together.
But 2 rooms.
So,
In the first room, I got the really nice puppet too. But yeah, overall, really nice.
Yeah.
I like it. It's
So,
better than expected, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can cross that off our list.
Now we'll go to Marvel.
Yeah, we go to Marvel. We will have some dinner over there at the Stark Factory.
Yeah.
If you have seen our last video a couple of times ago, we got some pizza and pasta over there. And actually, I'm craving that again.
Yeah, it was really good. So hopefully it will be that good again. So we'll see.
It's so nice to hear the Marvel music.
It makes it very epic.
Yeah. Looks like there's an epic line for Spider-Man as well.
Oh yeah.
I think it's down. Because otherwise they would let people in, right?
It's quite busy at the famous kitchen tour.
Yeah, but of course it's dinner time right now.
Yeah.
It's like 7:15.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's no wonder it's busy. We will see how busy it is at Stark Factory.
Yeah.
The entrance here is always really nice because of the big suit that's welcoming us.
Nothing suits me like a suit.
We just had dinner and now we're walking out of the Marvel campus. And for those of you wondering, why are you not going on the rides? We went on Spidey and Flight Force yesterday.
Yeah.
So if you're curious about what we think about those rides, we did a review before. So we will link that video down below if you want to watch it. But yeah, what's the plan now?
Well, now we're going to check out if the single rider for Crush Coaster is doable. So
Yeah,
we'll just see.
because Crash Coaster is one of those rides that's like really crowded every day.
Yeah, the wait times
So,
are
like wait times
way high up.
above like 80 minutes, 100 minutes
Yeah.
sometimes.
Until the end of the day even. So
Yeah, so
We'll
right
see
now
how,
I thought it
how it
was
goes.
45. So let's see what the single rider is, and if it's still too long, we can maybe do Tower of Terror.
awesome, dude. Oh.
Hey June.
I'm really into those Crush TikToks of the Crush Turtle Talk.
Oh
They're
yeah.
quite awesome. But they don't have that here, only the
but-
Stitch version.
I think we will see the Crush Tower Disney cruise
Yeah,
next month. So.
and otherwise in November when we go to Disney World.
Yes.
Spoiler alert.
Well,
Single rider.
single rider is also 45 minutes, and the regular one is
Ooh.
55.
It's a bit steep for my choosing. Yeah. It's gonna be the Tower
Yes.
of Terror.
The Tower of Terror.
Are we gonna fall for that?
Yes.
Fall?
Yes, I'm gonna fall for that.
This is why you subscribe to our channel. For the great jokes.
Yes.
I will do the epic reveal right now.
Epic review. Komt-ie.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gonna be a walk
I
on.
love this ride so much. Look around how really nice this lobby is. Or actually, nice is maybe not a good word. But
Need some dusting, but
Disney, what are you doing? Where are your cleaners?
oh, Tower of Terror, fun as always.
Yeah, but the nice thing is that cast members are now scaring people again.
Yeah, so
They
in
were not doing that during real COVID times.
yeah, it's just fun.
Yes.
It adds to the experience. So
Exactly. It's a trap. It's a wrap.
and now we just go to the other park and see what we're gonna do.
No game plan anymore, except that we want to stay until the fireworks and the
Yeah.
drone show later tonight. So stay put for that one. If you
Yeah.
want to see some drones flying. And of course, we're walking to the left again to our annual pass holder entrance. Not that it matters a lot at this point in time, but hey, it's still a perk. And we like perks.
VIP.
So we use our VIP entrance again.
I just like the vibes of the nighttime.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, Instagram in the making. And yes, we have an Instagram. Mixing up the photos, mixing up the magic.
Same name, different content.
Yeah. Look how beautiful it is.
We're gonna do a next try for Indiana Jones.
Yeah.
Because earlier today we almost made it on.
Right at the gate to go into the carts.
They
But
said
now,
no technical difficulties.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes now, or it should be 5. And we're gonna check it out, see if we can get on this time.
Yes. Snack again.
Finally did it. Indiana Jones.
Yes, it worked out now.
It was bumpy.
It was bumpy. It
was
was bumpy.
wild.
It was wild. It was cracky.
Yeah.
My neck is loose again.
You don't need a chiropractor if you have Indy.
Yeah, or
Near
you
you.
need it afterwards.
Yeah. Just how you see it. No, but it was nice. It was a straight walk on, even faster like the first time that we did it, but
yeah.
couldn't ride it. So yeah, it was nice.
As you can see, or I will show you, it's getting really dark now. So I think we'll stop filming at this pace because you wouldn't really be able to see it.
No, the GoPro doesn't do it really good in the dark. We're gonna see, we will definitely do the fireworks, so hopefully that will come across on the camera. And yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you at the fireworks and the drones.
Ooh.
La magie ne fait que commencer. The magic, it's just begun.
Look at the crowd leaving. We are not in this crowd. We make smart choices. So,
So we're done with the fireworks.
Yes,
It's
we
the ending.
really enjoyed it.
Yeah, end of the evening. And we're just waiting here at the Crystal Palace. Everybody is gone already. The whole park is kind of empty. We like to do that so that everybody is gone and you just can go out really easy. But we had a really great time. Did a lot of rides in the morning and in the evening. So hopefully it came across on the video that it really pays off to go early and come back later in the day.
Yeah.
And you have a nice rest point in the middle of the day, so get some energy back.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So yeah, if you liked this video, consider liking and subscribing, of course, because we have lots of more videos coming.
Yeah.
For example, of course, Disneyland Paris, but also we have a Disney cruise coming up.
Yeah, and in November we're going to Orlando, going to Disney World and even Universal. So if you like the content, stick
Yes.
around and we will be back.
Yes.
So see you next time.
See you next time.